Okay, this is a very important topic because multinational corporations actually have a lot of influence in our world. In fact, when you have multinational corporations that are making more money than many small countries in this world, it becomes a very interesting topic. These multinational corporations hold a tremendous amount of economic and political power in our world, and we're going to delve into that a little bit in your final culminating task for this unit. I always think that an interesting map for this particular topic would be where many multinational corporations choose to have their headquarters, and I think you'd see that in many developed, what we typically refer to as first world nations, and then where their factories are located would be a completely probably different part of the world, as far as they'd probably be located in lesser developed nations, or what we traditionally refer to as third world countries. So you as a consumer quite often don't realize that when you make choices on the brands you're going to buy, or say the restaurants or hotels that you're going to frequent over another one, that quite often it really doesn't matter, because all the money ends up in the same place, as these multinational corporations own many, many different companies. And while you may be choosing one brand over another, all the money may be going back to that same major multinational corporation. An example of some of those countries are located in this part of the activity, where they just have you identify some of the logos that you are used to seeing all the time. And this has actually become part of visual literacy, where you know a lot about a topic just by looking at the brand logo, and immediately you can tell somebody a lot of information, say about Nike, just by taking a quick look at that logo. This first specific example we delve into in this topic is using Coca-Cola. And although we're not going to have a discussion about this, we're going to get into the final project, I do encourage you to take a look at the questions they pose around Coca-Cola regarding its role in India. So, second largest population in this world, what multinational corporation wouldn't want to be able to sell their products within a country with such a huge customer base? And it asks questions like, what do you think the impact of Coca-Cola is on the sustainability of natural resources? What policies and practices have they had that have impacted India? And what factors drive globalization of Coca-Cola? So when you have a company that goes into these places perhaps and draws on a large amount of fresh water, what are the implications for the local people? Just some things to think about. They give a quick little infographic here. I highly recommend you take a quick look at it, as it is very interesting stuff that will contribute to this activity. So as mentioned, we're going to forego the discussions for this particular activity, but we are going to delve right into the final task. And the great thing about e-learning is you can present your information in such a variety of ways. In this case, we're going to present it using a Google My Map. So they give a quick little tutorial here on how to create one, and all the expectations for that map are here, including the guiding questions for the summary of each of the multinational corporations that you choose. Creating a My Map is very, very simple to do. So when you're in Google, you just have to log in to your Gmail account. And to do that, all of you have a KPR Students account, which actually is a Google account as well. So if you need access to that, you need to contact me. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, all you have to do is go to Google and type in My Maps and click on the first one that comes up. And you will see, in this case, this has a variety of maps that I've already created for other courses, but you can click on this button on the left side that says Create a New Map, and then start with the instructions that were given to you and start adding all of the details that are required for this particular topic. Okay, you can start by giving it a name up in this top left-hand corner, and then when you're done your map, you simply have to share it with me, okay? So again, all the criteria and requirements for your map are all listed right in here. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to contact me. At the end of it all, just share your link in the Dropbox, okay? Have a good day.